Hey, another day, another video, another me, another exploration of the self. Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski here, and welcome back. Today we'll be talking about what is truth. Fun topic. Absolutely impossible to answer this question. We're talking about truth with capital T, of course. The absolute truth. The one objective absolute truth, which of course you can experience directly, but it's impossible to name it. At least 99% of it. There is about 1% of the truth from the direct experience that you get that you can sort of dance around. And the closest you can get to the truth with our human language is all is one. Sometimes I even write it as all is a little star, like a Asterix or something. Because it is. But the moment you name it, it's not it anymore. That's the paradox. There are quite a few philosophers that talk about this. And so I'm going to try and dance around a little bit the 1% that you can't describe from the experience of enlightenment, of the truth, which is you are it. You are the itness that is within. So you are not the body, you are not the mind, you're expressing yourself through those, but there is this certain itness that is within you, and you're it. And you're it. And there's gonna be a lot of convoluted words because you have to use metaphors to describe metaphors here. And so you are this itness that expresses itself through this body. But that itness is the itness itself. It is the God itself. Just you're choosing to express this element of that which is God through this limited, at least from a certain perception, body and mind. But you're none of these things, so you can be outside of the body whilst doing things through the body, or you could be situated somewhere inside the body as an awareness consciousness and then moving yourself, animating yourself, so to speak. And a nice idea is you're the awareness and you're sort of, your body is like a puppet on strings that you're moving constantly. And your mind is the same, just on a different plane. So the truth is that you're it. What I mean by it, you can feel it within you. It is this itness that I resonate to as I'm speaking. And this is this part of you that is directly connected with the light, directly connected with God himself, or God itself. Makes no difference. And so you gotta ask yourself, what you gonna do with that knowledge that you're it? Of course, it is not the same as having an enlightenment experience, because that's, as I said, I'm just dancing around the idea of the 1% that can be described using abstract metaphors. 99% you have to experience directly. That's it. There is no other way. You can't paint it, you can't draw it, you can sing about it, you cannot produce a sound that will show you it. No. None of this. But all is one. Or all is it. However you want to look at it. All of it. Absolutely all of it. Meaning you are God in essence. Because everything is God. There is no God but God. And so everything is interconnected, everything is oneness, but we're talking about two different levels of awareness. This is, everything is connected, everything is oneness, right? Everything is oneness from the level of connection, everything is actual oneness. Things get very freaky on the level of awareness of a third eye. But that doesn't matter really. We're talking about the truth. And the truth is that you're it. Playing a game with yourself that you are not it. And it is this game that you keep playing over and over and over again, where you continuously lose yourself in order to find yourself, so then you can lose yourself again, thinking that you have found yourself. And you keep repeating that cycle over and over on the level of games. But then you realize that there is something more than just you in all of this, and then you start to move through the space of the heart. And then again, you move beyond that and you realize that you're God, and you start to explore the divinity that you are. First the human, then the oneness, then the divinity that you are. The truth is simple. You're it. And you can live absolutely any life that you want. Absolutely any fantasy that comes to your head, you can live it. If you allow yourself to be yourself, you will attain it and you will achieve it, because the entire universe is created just for you, to explore and experience exactly that which you wish. Of course, you can choose to leave. That is also an option. But what happens beyond the body, I will not speak about that, because no human language can ever describe any of it. That's the beauty of it. Blessings be upon you, my friend. I wish you an absolutely wonderful, beautiful day. Consider leaving a comment, leave a like, helps out the channel. Perhaps we'll hit 100 subscribers one day. That'd be great. Till next time, bye.